Good evening guys. As I promised in my previous unboxing video of a Cosmos series case, I proudly present to you my new protective case for my Surface Pro 9. It is called SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro wrap case. I got it from Taobao China for only around $25, including shipping price to Cambodia. Before I make the decision buying it, I got to decide between this sub case and the UAG Metropolis case. It's a hard decision because no doubt the UAG one is a very well known and a better brand for phone and tablet case. Luckily, I decided to buy the sub case one because it is cost less as half as the UAG one. The UAG costs around $55, and reading some review, the kickstand of the UAG is not very strong. It's very flimsy, and I don't like that it has a built-in extended slot for Surface Pen. In this case, the Surface Pro 9, which personally look very ugly to me. Okay, let's see what's around and inside the box. Okay, as you can see, the brand. Okay, the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Okay, as you can see, the subcase logo and its drop protection, military standard. Okay, around the back, nothing else. Okay, it has dust proof, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, and accurate cutout. Okay, the box, the unboxing experience, I feel it's look pretty similar to the one I got from iBlaze and Cosmo series. Okay, let's see the case itself. Okay, wow. Okay, that's all. There's no paper inside. Okay, let's look around the case itself. Okay, at the back, okay, you see the cutout for the camera. Okay, you see the H design like letter 8, and there is a big logo subcase. Okay, and there is a kickstand. Okay, it has a built-in kickstand, which is very nice. I don't like the Cosmo series because it used the default kickstand. Okay, and you can see there is a polycarbonate carbon fiber design. Okay, in this space. Okay, and the kickstand. Okay, as you can see, the kickstand seems to have some built-in magnet in here, so it's attached to it. Okay, and I think you can get some angle. Okay, here is around I think it's around 40 or 45 degree, and it can go up to let's see. Okay, it can go very flat. I think this around 30 degree. Okay, the kickstand look very strong, and okay, since it has a magnet, it does not move. Okay, as you can see. Okay, it's very strong. Okay, the inside, you can see it has a honeycomb design similar to the Cosmos series. Okay, it's help heat dissipation. Okay, the corner look very strong. Okay, as you can see here, the power button, volume button, the cutout. The thickness is similar to the Cosmos series one. It's not too bulky in my opinion. Here you can see the slot for the surface charging. Okay, there's nothing else down here. Okay, let's see how it fits into my Surface Pro 9. Okay, here is my Surface Pro 9 up. Wow. Okay, the power button, it's work. Wow, it look very strong, it look very sturdy. Okay, there is a lid protection, as you can see. Okay, I think it's made of a strong unbending polycarbonate and a shock absorbing TPU. It has a honeycomb structure design which provide a better heat dissipation of our surface. It has a built-in kickstand. As you can see, it gives us around once again around a 45 degree to 30 degree of viewing experience. The port, as you can see, is largely accessible. Okay, it has a military standard protection. I think they drop tested it from around 1.2 meter for around 26 times, and it's protect the surface very well. Let's see if this is compatible with our Surface keyboard cover. I got one from a Renaissance, which is similar to the original Surface one. Okay, let's see. Boom. Boom. Okay, I think it's worked very well. It fit very well. Okay. Wow. Okay, so we'll see how this protective case goes with my Surface. I'll keep you guys updated for this. Thank you all, love you all, and please like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye.